Hey guys, today I'm going to be going over my 6 favorite VS Code extensions. First of all, I'm going to show you all of my extensions and then only go through some of them because some of them are not needed to be explained because I think everybody knows what Python is or what Node.js is if you're watching these videos. If not, I'm going to probably make some time later videos about those also. But I'm going to be only going over some fun extensions which will help your productivity and make coding much more fun. So first of all, here are all of my extensions. I have Vim, Font Roulette, Assembly, Stack Overflow, Python, NPM, Makefile Tools, which I don't really use, I don't know why it's there, but okay. Lorem Ipsum, Live Server, and Indent Rainbow, C/C++, Auto Rename Tag, ASM Formatter, and ASM Code Lens. So first of all, I'm going to be going over Auto Rename Tag, which is basically an extension that if you have an HTML tag and you edit the starting one, it automatically edits the end of it. So for example, let's make a new HTML file. And let's put some boilerplate in it. And if I have a tag, let's say div, and I want to make a paragraph out of it, I just have to edit the first one, and it automatically edits the end of it. The second extension I'm going to go over about is called Live Server. So example, if you have an HTML file, let's write something in it. And normally if you want to display it on your browser to check how it looks, you would have to open the file inside your browser. But this extension makes a server for you, which you can use. So if you have live server, go live down here, if you click it, it'll start a port on 5500, and I'll drag it over here, and it makes a hello world file. A server which you can run any files, JavaScript, HTML, anything on. So the next extension I'm going to be talking about is called Lorem Ipsum. I'm going to show you quickly. It's this one. So if you press Command Shift B or Control Shift B, you generate Lorem Ipsum text. If you don't know what Lorem Ipsum is, it's basically like boilerplate text which you can use for testing your website. So instead of hello world, let's delete that. Let's press Control Shift P and select Lorem Ipsum, and let's put 3 paragraphs. And then it puts 3 paragraphs of Lorem Ipsum inside it. And we can use the other port, the port we made earlier. Let's quickly dispose it and go live again. And I'm going to drag it over here. And now there is like a boilerplate text, so you don't have to manually write something in there so you can design it quicker. So the next extension I'm going to be going over about is Search Stack Overflow or Stack Overflow Instant Search. Basically, if you have an error in your code, you press Command H or Control H, and it searches Stack Overflow for a problem. So let's go over here, for example. Let's say I have a problem here. Let's press Command H, and it will automatically put the code in there. Let's say not found or something like that. And you can select any one of these, or you can just press Search Stack Overflow for that, and then it will show all the results that there are. So the next one is called Font Roulette. And it basically does that every time when you start up VS Code, it shows you a new different type of font. So let's enable it quickly, and let's check what font we got. This is the font we got now. Okay, disable it because it sometimes can be annoying, but it is very fun extension. And the last extension I'm going to be talking about today is, where is it? It's called Vim. I think everybody knows what Vim is, but this is a VS Code version of Vim. So if I enabled it, so now I can go to my file and I can write for example, if you look over here, you can see what I'm writing, like quit. If I enter, it writes in quits, which is basically there's all the Vim functions inside here, which you can use, like dd to delete. You can just press D twice, or I can do paste, and I can paste it in again. And basically every nvim or vim command is inside here. So basically that was the video for today. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned something new, and I hope you'll install all of these extensions and try it out for yourself.